Welcome to the lecture, which is the layout and layout formatting and how we can customize our layout of charts and how we can make the different type of chart in respect to the visualization. So let's I click for the sake of ease, we will do changes in the same story that we have done for the previous lecture. So let's say click on the quantity per region and then click on the right hand side panel. So let's say I have to change this chart to the pie chart. So I just have to change the currently selected chart option and then select the pie. So let's move this sidebar. Here it is. Now you can see and all the data is now showing in the form of pie chart. 48% shares sold, quantity sold into the north region, and all the quantity is now showing in the form of pie and the form of percentage. So we can also change its combination by using the combination column and line. Here it is. Now combination column and line chart will be will be settled whenever we have to give the column axis to the quantity and the line axis to the price, and the dimension we have given the size. So we can also make the region with the blue with the coloring. So if I unselect this as a region, it will be clearly understand from the column and line. Also, I can add the dimension, the region, because this is a chart of region-wise sale. So, so that we can see the quantity and the price accordingly. So I select the size and the region, the two dimension, but we only need one dimension, that is region, and we want to show the quantity and the price measure accordingly with respect to the line. So this is a line, the orange line is showing the price, whereas the quantity is showing the in this form of bars. So a lot of different things in terms of layout is available. You can explore by yourself, and you can add different type of threshold, and you can add different filters accordingly. So then the layout will be automatically changed. So the main source of changing the layout is the styling. Let's say we have decided, we have selected the type of the chart, the column, line, bar chart, and after that we can change the layout accordingly. We can change the background color of the chart as light to blue. We can make some border. We can apply all the border. We can apply the top and bottom, and so on. We can also change the width of the line to the 6, and we can also change the color of the line to anything. Here it is. Now you can see I have changed the layout accordingly, and I have also made some new formatting on the chart. So let's resize this chart. Here it is. We can also make the decimal places to 0 or as per the requirement of the user. We can also make the thousand and million, billion as per the requirement, million, billion, column axis scale. By default, it is unformatted. We can also change the formatting of the line axis scale also, because we have two measure on the line scale. One is on the line scale and second is on column scale, column axis scale. So we can use the scale as per our requirement. We can also change the legend that we have three options: below chart, beside chart. If I use the below chart, all the legend will be shown into the below of the chart. If I click on the bar beside chart right, the legend will show on the right hand side of the chart. We can also label the direction of our level. That if I click on the horizontal, the direction of level will be changed to the horizontal. Whereas if I change in the diagonal, the direction of the level is changed to the diagonal. After that, we can align our level left, right, on the middle accordingly. So in this way, we can change the layout of chart. Hope you learned something from this lecture.